Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt.
Alright guys, welcome back to Jordan YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm taking you guys to a beautiful view. As you can see behind me, beautiful houses and things. Yes, so there we go.
Something on my mind, finally not afraid to say it. I know it took some time, used to read it in a press release what I was going through. But I got stories too. The fear of being last, everybody knows when you don't. If every feeling passed, then why am I still stuck with this one? I should see it through and change my point of view. I try to catch it when the moment's over. I try to feel.
So yeah guys, this is me walking up. Vehicle behind me. Yeah guys, I'm exhausted. Doing a little walk. Catch back up with you guys soon.
And that will be on you. Now what is going on? The answers are right here reflected, but still you get it wrong, 'cause you heard everyone's but my perspective. I have been there too, but I can't change the truth. I try to catch it, but the moment.
Okay guys, welcome back. So I have a beautiful view over there. We're heading right over there right now. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and share it to your friends and family. There we go. Alright guys, we made it. Can't believe this so amazing view right there on the view is so nice. Sunset right there of us. So beautiful. Catch you guys back when I reach back over. Peace. So guys, this sun is blinding me right now. We definitely have to come back here and do some kind of picnic, some cooking activity or something. Yeah guys, this view is so amazing. Hope you guys enjoying. Alright guys, we made it to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. That was a blast. Today was a blast. It was so much amazing view and everything. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We'll catch you back guys in the next video. Peace.
Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt.